Dr. Seema Sharma, and I am director, founder of Srishti Femcare. Today, I will be talking about how to prevent recurrent urinary tract infections. Uh, a lot of women keep asking this question that, Doctor, why do I have this urinary infections again and again, and what do I do about them? So, today I have decided to talk about a few tips that might be handy to prevent these urinary infections. One is, of course, as everybody keeps saying, that have enough water. Now, here is the catch: is we advise you to have enough water, but don't drown yourself in water, because beyond a certain limit, increased intake of water will not help. As I have mentioned in my previous videos, that you should just be guided by your urine color. If your urine color is just pale yellow or white, you're drinking enough already, and increasing more water will not help you against urinary infections. But yes, if you traditionally kind of are used to having less water, your urine is always concentrated, then increasing water intake might help you against a urinary infection. Number two, after having vaginal sex, or for that matter any kind of sexual activity, it is always advisable that you get up and pee as soon as you find it comfortable. The reason is, when you have sexual activity, there is a to and fro movement of the penis, and this area always has certain kind of germs which may just enter your urinary passage along with the microfissures that the activity creates. So once you flush it out, by peeing, it is akin to washing off all the germs in that area. So that might also help you um, with a fresh urinary infection. Another thing is that you must understand that, is it a relapse or is it a reinfection? Sometimes people have infection very frequently, very close together. So then they are more likely to have a relapse. By relapse, I mean that the original episode was not corrected at all. Like, there are certain types of bacteria which are stubborn, or which was not really treated in the first go, and then it recurs again. So it is just a relapse of the previous infection. It is on the other hand, if you had one episode a year back, and then you got in together with another partner, and then it happened, so possibly the source was from your partner. So you must find out what are you having. I mean, is it the infection coming from your own body, or is it coming from a new person, your partner, your sex toy, something like that. And also, I would request that please do not take antibiotics before you've had the culture reports, because a lot of times, patients would come, Doctor, I had this problem, I just took Norflox from the chemist and I had it, but they were okay for 2 days, and third day again the symptoms recurred. So the important thing is, first find out what is happening inside your body. That might mean getting your urine tested, getting, if need be, an ultrasound or cystoscopy that your doctor would advise. But please do not take antibiotics yourself, because every organism, every bacteria has a certain requirement of antibiotics. It is not a standard 2 tablets that will work on everybody. For certain bacteria, we may even have to take antibiotics for say 3 weeks or 4 weeks, and keep testing you that whether you've gotten all right or not. So it's important to identify and take appropriate treatment, so you do not get into relapse, because with every episode your bacteria will turn into a superbug and will create more and more stubbornness for further episodes. And the last tip is that, in case you're having recurrent urinary infections, please go and have a gynae checkup done. Because sometimes the urinary passage gets lax with time, it just goes down. We call it a cystocele in our medical language. This causes a pouching of the urinary bladder, and if this pouch keeps collecting urine, you can't empty it out in the same go. So though you may not be having an infection, you would have symptoms like a urinary infection. And if the pouching is there, well, yes, that needs to be corrected. Otherwise, the urine gets stagnated in that pouch, and it will keep on giving you infections, and you would need repeated treatments. So just keep a few tips like that. I would just have a recap. One I said was just have enough water. Second I said was pee after you've had a sexual intercourse. 3, do not have antibiotics by yourself. Just go to a doctor, have a culture done, and then take appropriate treatment, have appropriate investigations before on. And four I said was just find out that you have whether you have a relapse or you have a reinfection, and fifth I said was go for a gynae checkup to find out the state of your internal organs, because a lot of times urinary infections could be a sign of something more dangerous lying inside. Well, that's all for today. Thank you so much.